Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best beach camping chair is probably one of the most essential pieces of gear for anyone who loves spending time outdoors. Whether you're planning a relaxing day at the beach, a camping trip, or simply enjoying a sunny afternoon in your backyard, a comfortable and portable chair can make all the difference. In this video, we'll dive deep into the features, benefits, and overall value of this chair. Number 5. Nice Sea Beach Chair 2-Pack, Blue. This low beach chair from Nice Sea is designed for comfort. The breathable mesh fabric keeps you cool, and the arm cushions provide extra support. It also includes a convenient cup holder for your drinks. The chair is built to last with a heavy-duty steel frame and durable Oxford 1000D polyester mesh. It's lightweight and comes with a carrying case, making it easy to take anywhere. When folded, it's compact for easy storage. This chair can support up to 300 pounds. The low seat and anti-sink leg caps provide a stable base. You can relax and enjoy it without any worries. Setting up the chair is simple, just unfold it. When you're done, fold it back up and put it in the carrying case. Cleaning is also easy, just wipe it down with a towel or use soap and water. Take this chair with you to the beach, park, camping, or any outdoor event. It's the perfect companion for relaxation and fun. It's designed for your comfort and convenience. What we like. This chair features a breathable mesh fabric, ensuring you stay cool and comfortable. It also includes a convenient cup holder for your drinks. Setting up and cleaning is a breeze. If you are looking for a beach chair that prioritizes comfort and ease of use, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Easy to carry and put up. Really low to the sand and can fit a grown man. The chairs are well built, very sturdy, and are great to sit in the surf with. They're large, wide enough for real people, and the seat is deeper than many others, which supports your legs so they don't go numb. Number 4. Cascade Mountain Tech Folding Camp Chair. This chair is perfect for camping, the beach, picnics, or any outdoor event. Its low-profile design makes it incredibly versatile and easy to take anywhere. Enjoy the breathable mesh fabric and cushioned armrests. This chair is designed for comfort, so you can relax and enjoy your time outdoors. It's only 22 inches high and 20 inches wide, and sits 5 inches off the ground. When folded, it's just 26 by 8 inches, making it easy to store and transport. The included storage bag has shoulder straps, making it easy to carry. Weighing less than 7 pounds, it won't weigh you down on your adventures. With a strong steel and aluminum frame, it can hold up to 250 pounds. This chair is built to be durable and reliable for all your outdoor needs. What we like. This chair is designed for versatility, making it suitable for various outdoor activities. It offers a comfortable seating experience with breathable mesh fabric and cushioned armrests. Plus, it's compact and easy to transport. If you enjoy camping, beach trips, or sporting events, this chair's convenience will be a great fit for you. What people say. They fold very easily. The storage bag is very good quality too. Thick fabric material. Very solid. I'm impressed with the details of the 4 footings that will not rip through the bottom of a tent. High quality, easy to use, very comfortable. Number 3. iClimb Ultralight Folding Chair, Black. Introducing the iClimb Ultralight Folding Chair. This compact chair is designed for easy portability and convenience. It's perfect for various outdoor activities. The low-profile design reduces weight and enhances stability. Remember to use the securing strap for added safety and ease of folding. The seat height is 7.5 inches, so please confirm it meets your needs. Made with aerospace-grade aluminum alloy and ripstop Oxford fabric, it's ultralight yet durable. It weighs only 1.9 pounds and can support up to 264 pounds. The reinforced corners ensure reliability, and it's corrosion-resistant and easy to clean. This chair is compact and comes with a storage bag, making it easy to carry. The pack size is 13.8 by 4.7 by 4.7 inches. It's perfect for any adventure. It features a breathable mesh back and a deep seat for comfort. It also includes a side pocket for your essentials and anti-slip legs. Setting it up is quick and easy. Due to its low design, it may not be suitable for those with limited mobility. Always use it on flat, stable surfaces. For beach use, place it on a sand-resistant blanket. It comes with a lifetime warranty against manufacturer defects. What we like. This chair is incredibly lightweight and compact, perfect for those who prioritize portability. It's also built to be durable and stable, ensuring a reliable seating experience. It even has a side pocket for your essentials. If you are a backpacker or hiker looking to minimize weight without sacrificing comfort, this chair is ideal. What people say. The chair is lightweight and easy to carry. It folds up nicely and is easy to store. The chair is very sturdy and well made. Number 2. Overmont Ultralight Portable Camping Chair. This Overmont camping chair is incredibly compact, packing down to just 14.9 by 4.7 inches. It comes with a carry bag, making it perfect for any outdoor adventure. It provides reliable comfort and support, ensuring you can relax anywhere with ease. Forget complicated assemblies. This chair features pre-attached elastic cords, so all parts are connected and ready to use. You can effortlessly set it up or fold it down in under 30 seconds. The chair includes oversized cup holders and a phone pocket on both sides. It's perfect for holding most sizes of water bottles and keeping your essentials within easy reach. It's designed for your convenience and comfort. Enjoy peace of mind with non-slip feet on all 4 legs. Whether you're on uneven ground or shifting in your seat, it remains stable and secure, providing a reliable seating experience. Despite its ultralight design, this chair is heavy-duty. Crafted from robust 600D Oxford cloth and premium aluminum tubes, it offers exceptional durability and supports up to 330 pounds. You can enjoy peace of mind with your purchase. What we like. This chair is ultra-portable and lightweight, making it easy to carry around. It boasts a quick 30-second setup, saving you time and effort. The smart design includes oversized cup holders and a phone pocket. If you are looking for a chair that combines convenience with thoughtful features for your outdoor adventures, this is the one. What people say. Chairs worked out really well. Much better than expected for a foldable chair. The base almost puts itself together when you undo the Velcro, so it is super easy to use. It has ways to make sure all the poles are seated correctly and firmly. The instructions are simple and easy to follow. The cover goes on fairly easy. The last pole is the hardest to put in the last pocket. The thickness of the chair cover is very nice. The chair is sturdy and holds the weight it says it does. It packs back up for easy storage and will absolutely be part of our camping gear. This chair is amazing. It's very lightweight and unfolds in seconds, which makes it extremely convenient to carry around. The storage bag is compact and portable, so it really frees up my hands during camping trips. Despite being so light, the chair is very sturdy and feels secure to sit on. It's also surprisingly comfortable, with a premium feel, nothing cheap about it at all. The Oxford fabric is strong, easy to clean, and doesn't get dirty easily. Easy to assemble and collapse, and very sturdy for what they are. They support me easily at 6 feet 2 inches, 260 pounds. Number 1. iClimb Low Wide Beach Chair, Navy. This chair is wider than most, making it a great choice for anyone. Customers rave about its comfort, and you're sure to love it too. The low seat allows you to stretch out your legs and relax. It's perfect for lounging on the beach. The large, wide leg caps prevent the chair from sinking into sand or soft ground. This makes it ideal for beach use. It features a powder-coated steel frame that resists rust and corrosion, along with a stable triangular structure. The white clean Oxford fabric is durable and wear-resistant, supporting up to 300 pounds. The reinforced mesh back and bottom keep you cool and comfortable. Enjoy a relaxing day at the beach. This chair folds up compactly and comes with a carry bag. It's easy to take with you wherever you go. You can set this chair up in seconds, without any tools. It's quick and easy to get ready for relaxation. What we like. This chair offers a wide and comfortable seat, perfect for those who want extra space. Its low-profile design allows you to stretch out your legs, and the anti-sinking leg caps prevent it from sinking into soft ground. If you value comfort and stability, especially on the beach, this chair is a great choice for you. What people say. They are nice and wide, which is nice because my butt is too, and they're sturdy and comfortable. Drink holder is an added bonus. The ease of accessing the seat is perfect and it's very comfortable. The cup holder is great and fits a standard size beverage. Comfortable for a beach chair and strong. Holds a 270 pounds person without collapsing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.